everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos weekly about style and travel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you like to take the time and subscribe. So a little disclaimer for today, I don't have any makeup on my face except for this lipstick that I put on just for this video. It's the weekend and I like to keep a bare face most of the time during the weekend because I like to wake up early in the morning and walk around the city because that's like the quietest time in the city. And also my eczema has been flaring up like crazy this winter. I'm trying to give my skin a little break. All right, so enough with the long explanation, but I really want to do a quick haul for you because I want to use the items that I purchased. So before I do that, I figure I want to show you. So I went to Hermès this month. It's December, it's the holiday, my birthday month, so I'm feeling a little bit more spendy sometimes. I didn't really go crazy. I just bought things that I needed. So I purchased a few things from Hermès, and one of them we had to order online because of course it's Hermès. They never really have any stock in the store because everyone is shopping there apparently. All right, so here is the receipt. First thing that I want to show you is their lip care oil. I have never tried their lip care oil. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is actually an Hermès lipstick, which is my first ever makeup piece from the brand. I usually like Tom Ford lipstick, and I actually really like Hermès lipstick too. I feel like it has a good consistency for a matte lipstick. It's not drying, it's really nice and smooth. So I wanted to try their lip oil. So it looks like this. I haven't really used oil in a long time because I feel like they're sometimes can be very sticky and hair gets stuck on them. But I hear a lot of good things about their lip oil, and this one is in the color Rose Cola. So it's not really pigmented, it's more very sheer. I actually have tried this. I can't really show you right now because of course I'm wearing a lipstick, but it's really nice, very natural, and I like it. I highly recommend. I've tried a lot of like Chanel lipsticks and I've never really a big fan of their lipsticks, even though I love their makeup. So this I really like. So the other thing that I purchased from the store comes in this box. Honestly, this is not a true unboxing, as you can see from the horrible bow that I did, because I actually opened it up because I really wanted to see it again a few days ago. All right, so let's open it up. You probably could guess by now. It is a cashmere scarf from the women's scarf section. Last time I got a scarf from my husband and I actually really like it. I haven't really worn a muffler in a long time because I always love these square cashmere and silk blend scarves. I swear by them. I wear them all the time every winter because they're really light but warm at the same time. So I always think muffler is always like not flattering on me, but I really like the quality of the muffler that I got from my husband, so I decided to get one for myself as well. I really like this color combo. I see it on the website. Color, I don't remember what the color is. Let's look at the receipt. It says ivory and yellow something. For me, it's more like an orange, like a very neutral orange color and almost kind of beige, which I like. So it's not like that really bright orange. You can really get away with this, wearing this with your my beige coat. So I really love this. There was another one that I was looking at, which was the navy and kind of like this color as well combo, but it's more heavy on the navy. I was trying it on the store. I was also wearing this hat when I was in the store, so it looked really good with the hat. I loved it, but I didn't really like the print on it, and I fell in love with this print. I think it's really like It's a very like classic print, very traditional, very equestrian, very Hermès, but not loud at the same time. And I love that it's like you can wear both sides. You can wear the ivory side or you can wear this side as well. One thing is that I'm really afraid of getting my lipstick on it or lip gloss on it because of course it's ivory. But I guess sometimes you just have to live on the edge. You know, it's not the end of the world. If you get lipstick on it, you can have them dry clean. Right, so on the ivory side, it looks like so. And I just love it. I love how it looks like. It's so pretty. And it's also very warm. The cashmere is really soft. It's made in Great Britain, of course, because they are known for cashmere and wool. And this is on the other side. I really like it, and I think it still goes with the hat. I know that the other one would go with the hat more, but the thing is, I really like that this is more kind of like two scarves in one, and I do have enough like scarves in darker color, and I don't really have scarf that is like ivory, and it's just so pretty. And when I wear my beige coat, this will look great with the coat. So I'm really happy with this scarf, and yeah, can't wait to wear it. That's why I want to unbox it today. The next piece that I got is for my husband. It comes like this, and here is the box. So this is going to be a true unboxing. I haven't opened it up and I was waiting for this video, but as you can see, they did such an amazing job with the bow. I could never do that. So yeah, this is for my husband. When I was there, I looked at a few pieces for him, and a lot of things of course are not available. This one was available actually in the store, but the size that I wanted was not available, so we had to just order it. He did bring me like other colors in the size that I wanted, so I was able to see it in person. But because this is the color that I decided to get, the size was not available in person, so we just ordered it. I ordered it through my essay, and yeah, here it is. It came 2 days later. Let's open it up. I must say, whenever you order something online, the bow definitely looks better than how they do it in the store. It's probably because they're so rushed in the store. So let's open it up. It's really tight. Just like so. There's a little peek of that color there. So I got my husband a polo shirt from the equestrian line, and this is the polo shirt that they wear for riding horses. I figured this will be great for golf as well because it is designed for an outdoor sports activity, and it has like a cotton blend with material that is great for wicking, so it's something that would be great for like an outdoor sports. And I decided to go with orange because all the other colors he has already, they had like white and then navy, and I think that's about it. It's just white, navy, or orange, and I feel like orange, this orange is nice because it's not like too out there, and at the same time this will be great for summer with white pants when he goes for golf. So it looks like so. It has a navy trimming on the collar a little bit. So this is the size large. I think the medium would be too small and too tight on him. That's why I decided to go with large. It's large, and you actually get an extra button as well. So that's the info with the color. It's in the color faux and navy, so it has navy accents throughout. He loves polo shirts, so I hope he would like this one. That's it. That is my haul for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!